Pakistan 798 Heavy, ready.
Pakistan 798 Heavy, Charlie Tower, thank you. Winds 280, 18 gusting 24 knots. Clear takeoff, runway 23.
Runway 23, clear for takeoff, Pakistan 798.
Pakistan 798, contact departure 128.8, good night.
1288, good day, Pakistan 798. Departure, good afternoon, Pakistan 798, speed of 5 departure, passing 2,900.
Pakistan 798 Heavy, departure low, identified, climb 7,000.
I'm 7,000, Pakistan 798.
Element 6, caution, turbulence from the 777 departed ahead, wind 140 degrees 9 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 24 right.
Clear takeoff 24 right, copy KLM 86.
Pakistan 798 Heavy Tower, good evening, line up and wait, runway 24 right.
Evening, line up and wait, 24 right, Pakistan 79 right.
Pakistan 798, caution, turbulence from the 777 departed ahead, wind 140 at 9 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 24 right.
Clear for takeoff 24 right, Pakistan 79 right.
Pakistan 798, contact departure 1288, good day.
1288, bye-bye, Pakistan 798. To departure, Pakistan 798, on runway heading 2,200.
Pakistan 798 Heavy, departure identified, flying flight level 230.
Climb flight level 230, Pakistan 798.
Pakistan 798, turn right, direct to Sea Dog, on course.
Okay, right, direct to Sea Dog, on course, Pakistan 798.
Pakistan 798, contact Toronto Center 127.0.
127.0, bye-bye, Pakistan 798.
Good night.
Toronto clearance, Pakistan 782, good afternoon. Toronto clearance, Pakistan 782, good afternoon.
Pakistan 782, Toronto clearance, good day. I have your airways here. I do need a full readback on the first part of the routing. It may not be what you filed.
Okay, sir, Pakistan.
Pakistan 782, clear to Oscar Papa India Sierra via Int'l to departure. I'll spell that. It's India Kilo Lima Echo November, number 2. And then the Tony transition, which is Tango Oscar November November Yankee. After the Tony transition, direct Yankee Yankee Bravo, direct Yankee Victor Oscar, and then flight plan route after that. Departure runway 23, squawk code 2241.
Okay, sir, clear to destination Oscar Papa India Sierra is in for departure. India Kilo Lima Echo November, and Tony Tango Oscar November India is the transition, and direct Yankee Yankee Bravo, Yankee Victor Oscar, and then after that flight plan route runway 23, squawk code 2241, Pakistan 7.
Pakistan 782, just confirm the Tony transition is Tango, Oscar, November, November, Yankee.
Yes, sir. From this is Tango, Oscar, November, November, Yankee, Pakistan, 782.
Pakistan 782, read back track. This is Oscar. Contact the apron coordinator for your pushback, 12287.
12287, this is Pakistan 782. Pakistan 782,
Good afternoon, Pakistan 782, Heavy Toronto Tower, line up runway 23.
line up runway 23, Pakistan 782.
Pakistan 782, heavy contact departure 128.8 airborne, winds 1707 knots, clear takeoff runway 23.
Airport takeoff, runway 23, airborne 128.8, good day sir, Pakistan 782.
Good afternoon, Toronto, Pakistan, 782 out of 600 feet.
Pakistan 782, heavy departure, radar identified, climb 7,000.
Clear climb 7,000, Pakistan 782 heavy.